Good morning, students. This is my second class on business strategy. Well, the topic of day, that is the corporate social responsibilities and business strategy. What is the meaning of corporate social responsibilities? First, you know the meaning of corporate. There is a confusion between the company and the corporate. Somebody feels that company is different and corporate is different. Actually, in America, first of all, this word was used, the corporate. Corporate means a giant enterprises, a multiple nature of business, that is the business standing in different countries on the globe. And the business word generally we feel, we take it as a small thing, the small activities. But here we will discuss whether it is the corporate or the business, both as a whole. Now you see, the social responsibilities. What is the meaning of social responsibilities? Well, just I give you some historical background of the social responsibilities. Historical background, I mean to say, when there was a barter economy, the barter economy आप जानते हैं कि जब वस्तुओं के द्वारा वस्तुओं का क्रय, जैसे मान ली किसी को मछली खरीदना है तो गेहूं दे दिया और उसके बदले मछली ले लिया. That is the barter economy, when there was no evolution of the money inside. Now, since that very period, the barter economy, the producer, or you can say the seller, who used to sell their commodities in a small villages, and there were some producers who used to manufacture such things which were required by the villagers. जैसे मान लीजिए कि घड़ा बनाने वाला, मूर्ति बनाने वाला, ये सब जो है उन्हीं सामानों को बनाता था जो कि लोकल एरिया में उसकी ज़रूरत थी. Now on that very basis, there was the feeling that I should produce such commodities which are required by the society. And very honestly, that the requirement of each and every individual of a village or area of such community, it was known to the manufacturer. It means that the manufacturers were realizing the requirement or the need of the people of that very locality. It means the social responsibility of the manufacturer was to produce such commodities which were needed by the local people. This is in the real sense the social responsibility of the business. Nowadays, with increase in the globalization, the sense of the multinational companies, the companies working in different countries with different languages, now it is a big word, the social responsibility. Previously, during the barter economy or the small business, it was a small thing. But now you see, when we talk in the larger interest, corporate social responsibilities, it should be very much realized that the producer must produce such commodities which are really needed by the societies. But just I give you one example. Nowadays, the different production made by different countries which are not in the interest of the young people or the children, but they are producing only because that they want to mint their money, to multiply their money very easily with very short period. That's why they do not consider the ethical value of the business. They do not consider. If the ethical value would be considered by the businessman, the society which is going to be worse and worse day by day, will improve. But this is actually not in the interest of the society. बच्चे जिनको हाथ में मोबाइल दिया जाता है और उसमें डिफरेंट चीज़ें जो दी जाती हैं वे देख करके उनके मस्तिष्क में विकृतियाँ आ रही हैं, खराबी आ रही है. Is it social responsibility of the producer? No. This is not the social, this is the social responsibility of the business to bring such commodities which are highly needed, which are actually in the interest of the society. But nowadays, the businessmen feel that they should produce such commodities only which will give them more and more profit. So, the profit intensive is more valuable than the ethical intensive. The ethical values they do not realize, they realize only the monetary consideration for their business. So, here you can realize that the social responsibility is highly important in the interest of the nation. Now, take the example, just nowadays the China and India, both the countries are facing different issues. Now, the goods of China easily sold in India and the Indian goods are also sold there, but the large number of goods are being sold by China in India. Now, especially for the children, the China manufacture commodities at cheaper price. But that is not in the interest of the children. They are poisonous too. They are injurious to the health. But China is selling because the goods are cheap. Naturally, the social responsibility of China is damaged. China should consider that I should not manufacture such commodities. But China is supplying in each and every country such type of commodities. And children are happy to see that. Children are happy to have such commodities in their hands. This is actually the damaging side of social responsibility. Now, take the example, certain things like the hotel industry. Now, the hotel industry, the goods should be prepared by the hotel, I mean food and etc. That should not be injurious to the health. That should be in the interest of the people who are attending the hotel. But here in India especially, we consider only the cheap commodities. This is the whole trouble. We do not अगर किसी होटल में अगर कहीं भी थोड़ा सस्ता मिलता है तो हम लोग सस्ते वाले को प्रेफर करते हैं. We do not feel that why comparatively the one hotel supply the goods at cheaper price and the other hotel supply the goods at costly price. We simply see that this is the cheaper, this is the costly. Now, on the basis of the cheapness of the commodities, we prefer a certain hotel. Now, take the example that if there are certain things which are being manufactured by such hotel which are injurious to health. Spices, if the simple or the certain manufacturing the spices are not good, it will damage the health of the society. It will create a lot of diseases. But we prefer only on the cheapness of the commodities. Here I have to say that the social responsibility is the watchword, that whether that hotel is maintaining the social responsibility to the society or not. So, in the corporate sector, now the social responsibility is a big word. Just for take the example now, presently the COVID-19, you see that large number of people in the society, they are dying. Large number of people who are suffering from poverty, they are also in very precarious condition. Larger number of people, they are feeling that there is no life in the society. They always see that whether they will be tomorrow or not, only because of the lack of medicine, and the medicine is not available in the market. People are dying. Now you see the social responsibility of the manufacturer of medicine. Where is the social responsibility? with the starting of this disease, the medicine must be prepared at the war front. But the manufacturer of the medicine, I am very sorry to say, they are watching whether the disease is increasing or not. अगर बीमारी बढ़ रही है, उस समय अगर वह निकालेंगे तो उनकी दवा की बिक्री ज़्यादा होगी और कॉस्टली दवा भी निकालेंगे. Now see the condition of social responsibility not only in India, in the world, because the capitalists, they are manufacturing, they are trying to manufacture or bring the medicine in the interest of the disease. They are not taking proper interest to safeguard the interest of the poor people, to safeguard the interest of the dying people, to safeguard the interest of the society. They must take care to safeguard the interest of the society. Now just see, recently you might have heard, in India, on the basis of the Ayurvedic medicine, they claim that, your Patanjali Yogpith, Ramdev Baba, they claim that they have prepared the medicine for this disease. And he is crying again and again that he has prepared, but nobody is taking care of that, because certain malified intention of the big businessmen or who have invested Arabs and crores in the business, they are waiting that how they will multiply their money in the market. And our Ayurvedic science, they are not giving proper attention. Even World Health Organization is also doing certain things which I think I should not say that, but now it is realized, the scene, the scenario of the market, the people are dying. World Health Organization should also play important role in bringing the medicine in the society. But this society is also not doing well. Anyway, the chairman is changed and all that. Now the social responsibility, now it is clear, I think, that it means that it is the responsibility of the big businessman or even the small businessman to bring only such commodities in the market which is in the interest of the society, which will not damage at any cost the health or which is not hazardous for the society. So this is called the social responsibilities. Now the other word is here, the role of the business strategy in social responsibility. Now you see, business strategy, I had a talk with you. A strategy everywhere nowadays, there is the need of a strategy. Just I give you an example. आपने चींटी को देखा होगा, बरसात के समय में चींटी कुछ कुछ ले करके और वह कोशिश करती है कि जहाँ उसका स्टोर है वहाँ जमा करें कि बरसात में हमको इधर उधर जाना नहीं पड़े, भीगना नहीं पड़े. चिड़िया वगैरह को भी देखिएगा, वे घोंसला बनाती है और बरसात से पहले ही पूरा लकड़ी उकड़ी क्या क्या लाऊ करके अपना जो है सो ये सब करती है. They are maintaining the strategy for tomorrow. They are feeling, even the birds are feeling, even small instincts, they are feeling कि कल हम कैसे सुरक्षित रहेंगे. This is the actual meaning of a strategy. What sort of measures are to be taken by the businessmen to protect the interest of the society as a whole? You might be heard that there was a Bhudan movement. Now in Bhudan movement, Vinoba Bhave was the leader of that movement. Now he told that if you are 5 brothers in the family, you consider me as the 6th one. That is, if you have good number of money and every facility, everything with you, you must consider for others too. आप ये जरूर समझिए कि भगवान ने हमको संपत्ति दिया है तो ये संपत्ति हम अपने तक ही नहीं है. वैसे पार्ट जो कि डैमेज हो रहे हैं, जो भूखे मर रहे हैं, जो नंगे हैं, नौकरी नहीं है, उनके लिए हम काम करें. And if they are doing in the interest of the mass as a whole, it means they are performing the job of the social responsibilities. Now business strategy and its relation with the social responsibility, just take example. You see that एक दवा कंपनी जो दवा बनाती है, दवा बनाई, उसके बाद उसका टेस्टिंग शुरू होता है। टेस्टिंग ऐसा क्रूएल्टी के साथ शुरू होता है जैसे जनरली दे टेस्ट ऑन मंकीज, बंदर पर आदमी के लिए दवा टेस्ट करते हैं। अब मान लीजिए उस दवा से बंदर छटपटा रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है, वह क्रूएल्टी सहता है किसके लिए उसको सहाया जा रहा है? आदमी के लिए। आदमी वह दवा से वैसा नहीं छटपटाए, इसलिए उस बंदर पर टेस्ट किया जाता है। अब फाइनली जब बंदर नॉर्मल है, दवा देने के बाद उसमें देख रहे हैं एक्टिविटीज और अच्छा हो रहा है, तो हम कंसीडर करते हैं कि ये मनुष्य के लिए यूजफुल है। बट द फर्स्ट सफरर इज मंकीज, द एनिमल्स हु हैव नो साउंड। एक लिपस्टिक बनाने वाली कंपनी का एग्जाम्पल आपने किताब में पढ़ा होगा। वह लिपस्टिक जो बनता है एक तरह का एनिमल है, छोटा सा जीव सब है, जिसको कि मार करके और उसका ब्लड जो है उससे लिपस्टिक बनाया जाता है। और जितने साइंटिफिकली अच्छा ढंग से बनाते हैं लोग, उतना ज़्यादा उसको पेन होता है उस जानवर को, लेकिन लिपस्टिक का दाम उतना ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है। नाउ जस्ट टू ब्यूटिफाई आवर सेल्व्स, अगर हम उस जानवर को इतना तकलीफ दे करके बनाते हैं तो दैट इज़ नॉट द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस। दैट स्ट्रेटजी वन शुड मेंटेन कि हम कहाँ तक उसको तकलीफ दे सके। ऐसा नहीं दें कि वह जानवर है तो क्या है, उसकी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद हो रही है। तो दिस बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजी इज मिंगल्ड विथ द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज। सामाजिक जो उत्तरदायित्व, सामाजिक उत्तरदायित्व जो है उसके साथ बिजनेस स्ट्रेटजी का गहरा संबंध है। हम स्ट्रेटजी मेंटेन करें, हम ये देखें कि हमारी जो मेडिसिन है वह आदमी पर सही तरीके से लागू हो, आदमी को सूट करे। लेकिन इसका ये माने नहीं है कि उस दवाई को टेस्ट करते करते हम हजारों एनिमल को मार दें और उसके बाद हम बता दें कि दवाई में ऐसा है, क्योंकि वह भी है, जीव उसमें भी है, उसमें भी आत्मा है, ऑल दैट जो भी है। सो दिस पार्ट इफ इट इज़ नॉट मेंटेन्ड बाय द बिजनेस, it means the business is not maintaining the social responsibility as well as the business strategy. A strategy means here that the responsibility must be cooperated by the responsibility. Both are interchanged, both can be maintained one by one. So this is the social responsibility and the business strategy nowadays. It has become a crucial problem. You see that the strategy should be maintained by the businessman, it is correct, but social responsibility should also be considered. A business unit cannot say, a business unit cannot aspire to say that there is no need of maintaining the social responsibility. One, you might have heard that our Indian soldiers, they become shaheed on the border. Even the enemy soldiers, India is maintaining the culture of that body, जो उसका जिस तरीके से उसको मिलना चाहिए आदर मरने के बाद, उसका अंतिम संस्कार जिस धर्म के अनुसार हो रहा है, इंडिया अपने सिपाहियों का करता है, उसके साथ साथ जो फॉरेन जो दूसरे इनेमीज़ के हैं उनके लिए भी करता है। दिस यू सी द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। ये नहीं कि हमारा नहीं है तो उसको लास्ट को फेंक दिया कहीं। सो सिमिलरली ए बिजनेसमैन इज टू फंक्शन within the surrounding of the society. A business cannot run in isolation. निर्जन स्थान पर नहीं बिजनेस चल सकता है। So business is to function for the society. and in the interest of the society. If the society is there, the business will run. If the society is not there, all dies, then business will not run. So naturally, the social responsibility is the part and parcel of the business life, and nowadays a major amount is being spent by the businessman just to maintain the social responsibilities. Now, my friends, you see, business strategy is the other word which runs side by side with the social responsibility. A strategy, the businessman is to maintain that also, because if the strategy is not maintained, the business cannot run for the future. Business will have to run for the future only when the strategy is maintained. हर व्यक्ति, आप स्कूटर चलाते हैं तो चलाने समय आपको स्टार्ट करने के पहले ही आपके माइंड में रहना चाहिए कि इतनी बाधाएं कहाँ कहाँ आ सकती है और कैसे उसको आगे उससे बढ़ जाएंगे, बाधाओं को दूर करते हुए. दैट इज ए स्ट्रेटजी. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं, क्या उसका क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा, दैट शुड बी इन द नॉलेज ऑफ द बिजनेसमैन. जो सामान हम बाज़ार में दे रहे हैं, उस सामान का व्यक्तियों पर, व्यक्ति के समूह पर क्या असर पड़ेगा, ये व्यापारियों को ध्यान देना चाहिए. ओपियम, हफीम बहुत सस्ता है, बहुत ही सस्ता है जान लेने के लिए, लेकिन हफीम जो है वह इंजूरियस है. तो इसका माने ये नहीं कि वह मार्केट में खूब सप्लाई कर दिया जाए. नो, सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये कहता है कि जो हेल्थ के लिए इंजूरियस है उसको बाज़ार में नहीं लाया जाना चाहिए, और अगर कोई लाते हैं तो स्ट्रेटजी ये कहता है कि कैसे उसको हम चेक करें कि हमारे यहाँ हफीम उतना यूज़ नहीं हो. जस्ट रिसेंटली यू माइट हैव हियर्ड that on wine the government has given some freedom, because wine is a good source of revenue for the government, good source of revenue for the government. सरकार को आय उससे प्राप्त होती है, अच्छी आय प्राप्त होती है. तो सरकार वाइन के बिक्री पर कुछ रेस्ट्रिक्शन उतना इम्पोज नहीं कर पा रही है. नाउ वी सी हियर द गवर्नमेंट इज एक्चुअली मिसिंग द सोशल रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. गवर्नमेंट को ये देखना चाहिए कि जो भी हो, अगर वाइन इंजूरियस है तो हम समाज में नहीं ला रहे, लेकिन टेकिंग द कंसिडरेशन ऑफ द रेवेन्यू और द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम फॉर द गवर्नमेंट उस पर उतना इम्पोज नहीं कर पा रही है. ये सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का कहीं ना कहीं इसका हनन हो रहा है, ये चेक होना चाहिए. सिमिलरली यू सी दैट रिसेंटली आपने देखा होगा कि जो मज़दूर हैं, काम कर रहे थे, वे सब भाग रहे हैं, किसी तरह से जान बचा रहे हैं, दूर दूर लोग पैदल जा रहे हैं, भूखे मर रहे हैं. ऑल दैट, इज इट द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मेंटेन बाय द गवर्नमेंट? नो, गवर्नमेंट इज नॉट मेंटेनिंग द सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दे आर गिविंग ब्लफ टू द सोसाइटी. बट नाउ आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अगेन स्टार्टेड to know the government should maintain the social responsibility in the interest of the people, the poor people, the labor class, and now they are carrying them and they are trying to reach their home. These are certain things जो कि आपको समझना चाहिए कि सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हर फील्ड में आगे बढ़ रहा है. अगर सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पर हम ध्यान नहीं देते हैं तो वी आर डूइंग सर्टेन रॉन्ग टू द सोसाइटी, एंड सच सोसाइटी विल नॉट प्रिवेल. So thank you very much. Now again next day we will discuss other part of the social responsibility.